So today's project was we put in a plug by my neighbor Dave's place here. It's an RV plug. It's a 30 amp plug. Then he's got the Tesla charger, and we ran 6-aught wire. Fuse box is right below. Put a double 30 amp breaker on it, and I think we've got them all set and ready to go. He's got it plugged in, and like I told Dave, if anything bad happens, this is on Dave. I take no legal responsibility on this, but it is charging, it is working, and I think we did everything. We've got the connections as tight as I can possibly get the connections for that 6-aught wire, and so I think Dave is all set, ready to go now with 220 charging. So we're going to see how long it takes him to get that charged up, and another project done. Be honest with you, I hate dealing with 6-aught wire. Trying to bend that stuff and get it into the breakers, and that is just not fun at all. So yeah, I think we've got Dave all set, ready to go. We got green lights all the way, and Dave says everything looks great. Good deal. Hit that like and subscribe button, and check out the other videos that I have at Perrode and the Project Specialist. So just to follow up, I'm going to let Dave was just kind of explaining to me how this Tesla cord works. And if you want to do that one more time, Dave, you said it's got green lights.
So green light means it's a go, and when the lights on different letters change or go down in a sequence, that means you're getting a charge. If it's just in one, or if it's just in blue, that means there's a problem. And the Tesla little box here acts as sort of a circuit breaker and preventing a charge or a surge in electricity. So this should also help add some safety to the device that we put here, which was purchased off the internet and designed for outdoor use for EVs and RVs.
Okay.
And Brian did a wonderful job.
And then we've got green lights on the car.
Flashing.
And flashing, that means it's charging, right?
Yep.
Okay. If it wasn't charging, would we have a different color?
It would be in blue.
It would be in blue there. Okay, and it says that everything's working on your phone. So we're going to kind of clean up, and then I'm going to check to make sure, see what kind of heat we got flowing through this stuff, just to make sure we're not going to, nothing's overheating. It shouldn't, because you can actually use 50 amp breakers, and we went a little bit smaller just to keep it a little bit safer. And so
shoot in there and see this.
And then so on the inside of the car, you can see that it is going. It's 76% charged, and cool.
So 32 amps.
32 amps.
So it's 32 miles per hour. So it'll be full charge in about 6 hours if you're running on empty. I will only need about 2 or 3 more hours to be at 100%.
All right.
I'm at 75% now.
All right, so good deal. Because Dave comes up from the southern part of the state, and so this works out really nice. He comes up to his cabin. He's going to be able to have a full charge here, you know, overnight if he wants it. And so if he's headed back the next day, he's all set and ready to go. Yeah.
And one last thing, this is a level 2 charger that we installed, and it works much better, because just using the regular 120 outlet, it would take about 12 to 20 hours to charge this up. And now what we did is we can do it in 5 to 6 hours. So even though there are no Tesla superchargers here, we don't really need one, because we have it at my house, or at my lake house.
All right. So once again, we recommend too that you have a certified electrician. Double check your work down the road. I'll just say that to protect myself here. And it's about a day for someone that's just doing it. The biggest fight is trying to get the 6/0 wiring, and you can probably even go a little bit smaller wire than what I use, but I tend to over engineer things, and getting the wires into the plugs and tighten down the way it should is probably kind of the biggest challenge. So all in all, another project done. Hit that like and subscribe button, and check out the other videos at Broden the Project Specialist.